Hello friends, a quick video from Trade Ideas Technology here. I just want to talk a little bit about our virtual trading assistant, Holly. Uh, some days good, some days bad. No system to ever be blindly followed. And, if we were to look across the top, all right, it doesn't look like a good day. However, being a trader, taking a closer look at things is very, very important. We can see on the max profit column here that each of these trades at least eked into the money a little bit here. If we dig a little deeper here and we were to look at PDSB, we see that we've got a stock that is with a pretty strong gap up on the day here, right? A good amount of volume and relative volume here. So we know it's a stock of interest and a stock in play. However, perhaps this was a second mouse gets the cheese moment. Holly makes a call here early, unfortunately comes down and gets stopped out. But this creates an opportunity for what we call a trade around, and why this is a great watch list to have all day long, as sometimes we're early, sometimes we're late, and that will include Holly as well. It comes down, gets stopped by a penny or two here, only to find itself reversing very strong the rest of the day. Where it ends up for the day, nobody will really know. But if we didn't have a tool like Holly here to keep us alert and focused on this, we certainly wouldn't know regardless. We do have our 2-week test drive coming up. $11.11 will get you full access, including the ability to watch Holly for the first 2 weeks roughly of June. You can come to trade-ideas.com to learn more and pre-register for that. Hope to see you there. Take care, folks.